Welcome back. Today I have my box from HelloFresh. This is a box that I bought and paid for with my own money. This is not a sponsored video, but there will be a link in the description box below where you can get one for yourself. And I think that there might be a coupon code attached with that. I will leave it down below if there is. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this with you today. So go ahead and get this open. I cut it open, but I have not looked inside at all. What is this here? These are just some coupons to JCPenney's and Eartha Box. And then that's just a New Year's update. This is the instruction card for the buttered rosemary steak tips. Truffle penne pasta, I can't even say that. And the Figgy balsamic pork. And this is just the nutritional information on all of them. They come in this nice refrigerated box here. This is the pasta. It says let it boil, let it cook. This is the rosemary steak shrimp, and it says it this delicious way. They are all still cold. And here's the balsamic pork. And this little divider. Really nice ice pack there. And then here's the actual meat. We have diced pancetta. We have New York strip. And a pork tenderloin. And we have another really nice ice pack. So I'm going to get rid of this box and then we'll take a look inside these bags and see what we have. Okay, so now let's take a look at what's in the bags. And for the first one I have the pasta. So we have the pasta noodles. We have pine nuts. We have fresh herbs, mint, sour cream, sweet peas, some Parmesan cheese, another packet of sour cream, veggie broth, truffle zest, and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to put all of this back in here because we're not going to be cooking this tonight. And I'm going to put the pancetta in with this because it goes with that meal. Okay, this is the strip steak, so for that we're going to need the steak. We have a lettuce. We have some fresh thyme. We have some tomatoes. Some more herbs. Some potatoes, red potatoes, an onion, a lemon, some white potatoes, and 2 packets of sour cream. My battery is going dead, so I hope I make it through this without it cutting out. Okay, so for the pork, I've got the pork, tenderloin, we have green beans, some more rosemary, chicken broth, balsamic vinegar, fig preserves, shallot, and the rest of the bag is all white potatoes. These are actually, it says on here, Yukon Gold potatoes. So that's everything for the pork. So I'm going to ask my husband tonight which one he thinks I should cook, but I believe I'm going to go with the steak for tonight. It'll either be the steak or the pork, one of the two. So I will be back with you when we make that decision. So we decided to go with the beef New York strip steak. So that's what we're going to do. Let me get all this off my cutting board. I did pre-wash all of the veggies. I know they came sealed and packaged, but that's sorry, something that I wanted to make sure I did. So let me get all of this cleared off and we'll get started prepping. So I'm preheating the oven to 425 and it says to get out 2 tablespoons of butter and let it set at room temperature. Then we're going to half and peel our shallots. I pretty well already peeled them whenever I was cleaning them, but let's see if we can get another layer off.
The great yellow.
Okay, so it says to finely mince 1/2 and thinly slice the other. And one is big and one is small, so I'm going to
The sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. On a higher level. We got
And there you have it. Beautiful supper, ready to go. Let me see if I can take you guys in closer.
this.